This is Shrradhaa Kakkad and welcome to Internet Celebrity Hub. And I am so excited that all of you are here willing to attend my masterclass. So first of all, thank you very much for clicking on the link and coming to our WhatsApp and email hub. Okay. Second thing is, I would like to congratulate you. Congratulations, because you saw my video and you've thought of doing something for your own life. Okay. So I'm happy that you took the first step towards your dream of becoming a model or winning a pageant. So congratulations and thank you very much for joining our hub. Okay. So before you attend my webinar, there are certain things I would like you to work on. Like I would like you to have certain self-clarity about yourself. So it will be very easier for you to understand webinar in a more proactive way. Okay. So here is the sheet I have attached below the video, and I would like you to write that for yourself so you have a better clarity of your life. Great. So let me explain you the sheet. The first question in the sheet is, what was your first thought when you came across my video? What was the thought which made you click and subscribe to Internet Celebrity Hub? Okay, so I would like you to write about it. The second question of mine is, what is your dream in the industry of modeling and pageantry? Okay. Third, how would you give marks to yourself on grooming skills, or maybe you might be groomed? So how many marks would you like to give to yourself out of 10 when it comes to grooming? Okay. The fourth question is, how many marks would you like to give to yourself on public speaking skills? Okay. The fifth question is, what is it that you would like to achieve out of this masterclass? Sounds exciting? So I am excited to read all of your clarity. See, this is the first step of clarity I have designed for all of you, so you get some more benefit in your life. See, understand, the more clarity we have about something, the more expert we become about ourselves. Okay, so please fill this sheet fast and send it to me, and I would like to read about all of you. And once you have covered the first step, there are more steps coming up, and I am going to be publishing a few videos more before you come to our masterclass, so you get more prepared to your learning. So I am excited, and I'm going to come up with a lot of surprises, and thank you very much, and I'm excited to see your clarity. Thank you.